Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily turn off the feature of flag for review for followers in Instagram. For that, firstly download the Instagram application and log in with your account details. Then after in the profile section, go to followers. As you can see, flagged for review, there's a list of followers that Instagram suggests you to remove. So you can simply click on the remove beside their name option to remove them as a follower, or at the top click on remove all option. Now to simply turn this feature off, head toward your profile section, click on the three lines at the top right corner and scroll below. Once you scroll below, at the bottom you will be able to see follow and invite friends. Once you click on it, you will see the option of flag for review. So if you simply turn off this feature, Instagram will no longer suggest you the list of people that you should remove from your followers. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.